dummies, welcome back to my channel. This is Divya. If you also find problem that's how to tackle physics numerical problems in class 10, so this is gonna be the best video for you. I know that this time you all will find difficulties to solve the numericals in physics. Let's get started. So first of all, understand the concept, in which a strong foundation. Before attempting any numerical, ensure you have a solid grasp of the underlying physics concept. Review definition, formulas and applications based on your notes which you wrote from reading and writing your online courses or by attending lectures during your class. And second thing is that units. Pay close attention to the units of measurement used in the problem and in the formulas. Make sure they are consistent. Second would be that read the problem carefully. First, that identify the knowns. What information is given in the problem? Write down the known quantities with their units. And secondly is that identify the unknowns. What are you asked to find? And third thing is that diagrams. If applicable, draw a clear diagram to visualize the situation. This can help you identify relevant quantities and relationships. So third would be that choose the right formula. First, that relate the known with the unknown. Based on the physics concept involved, select the appropriate formula that connects the known quantity to the unknown quantity you need to find. And second is that check for consistency. Make sure the formula you choose is consistent with the units of the known and unknown quantities. My fourth step would be that substitute solve. Means first of all you have to substitute the values and then solve. In this first point would be that plug in values. Substitute the known values into the chosen formula, and second is that solve for the unknown. Use algebraic manipulation to solve the equation for the given question for the unknown quantity. And third would be that show your work. Write out each step of your calculation clearly, including the units at each step. Basically, you have to write the given. Means given in the questions, yeah? And fifth step would be that you have to analyze the answer. First is that units. Make sure your final answer has the correct units. And second is that magnitude. Does the magnitude of your answer make sense in the context of the problem? For example, if you are calculating the speed of the car, your answer should be reasonable. And third would be that significant figures. Round your answer to the appropriate number of significant figures based on the precision of the given data. Example, just like एक problem है जिसके मतलब एक कार है, a car accelerates from rest to a speed of 20 meter per second in 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration of the car. So what would be the acceleration of a car? So first of all you have to write all the given in your question. So given that would be that initial velocity, which is denoted by u, and which is 0 meter per second. Starts from rest ना. So जब rest से start हुई है तो initial velocity तो 0 होगी and final velocity would be 20 meter per second. Time आपको given है 5 second. Unknown है आपका acceleration. Acceleration denote किया जाता है a से.